Hi guys, it's Natalie, and today I'm going to introduce another part of the statistics menu. This part will be finding lines and curves of best fit. So suppose you don't have a way of graphing a set of points to determine the line or curve of best fit. You can use this method to find whether the data fits better with the linear or quadratic function. First, we must turn on StatPlot by hitting y equals, which, if we remember, is in the top left-hand corner of our calculator. Then, use the direction arrows to move up and highlight plot 1, then press enter. This will turn the stat plot on. We also will want to make sure there are no equations in our y equals, so we can scroll down and delete those. Next, we'll be entering the data. All of my answers will be in terms of this set of data. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in L1, and 4, -1, -4, -5, -4, -1, 4 in L2. We will put this set of data in the calculator using stat, then edit, then enter. To clear your L1 and 2, all you do is scroll up to the name of the list and hit clear, which is all the way to the right under the direction arrows. Then, you hit the down arrow to make sure it's clear. Do the same for the second list. Then, enter your data. X coordinates go into L1 and Y coordinates go into L2. Hit second, quit to return to the home menu. Next, we will find the linear regression using stat, then we scroll over to calc, then scrolling down to linreg, L-I-N-R-E-G, AX plus B, or hitting the number 4. Make sure L1 is in for X's and L2 is in for Y's. Once you scroll down to store REQ, I want you to hit alpha, which is the green button, then trace, which is the fourth gray button, then 1 or enter. Then hit calculate. Now, after you have that equation, we will calculate the quadratic equation to compare the two. We will go to stat, then over to calc again, but this time we'll select number 5 or scroll down to quadreg, Q-U-A-D-R-E-G. Then press enter, 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 or scroll down to store REQ. Then press alpha trace 2. Then hit calculate. Now go to second mode quit to go back to the home screen. Then hit zoom 9 to view the equations in the stat view on the calculator. Which fits the line better for our data points? Quadratic. Now we can go back to our y equals menu and write down the equation in y2 as the curve of best fit. Okay guys, that's my explanation of how to find lines and curves of best fit. Let's review what we learned today. We learned how to turn our stat plots on and find the line or curve of best fit, as well as save equations into y equals. Thanks for watching. My next video will be on a couple tips and tricks for factoring and perfect squares.